Contributing to Ram Mandir is not just a donation, it's a heartfelt contribution to our cultural heritage. I am a Henry Harvin warrior and this is a contribution to Ram Mandir.
Our heartfelt contribution to Ram Mandir attested to the spirit of togetherness. I am a Henry Harvin warrior and this is my contribution to Ram Mandir.
Join us as we add our chapter to the story of unity, our contribution to Ram Mandir. I am Henry Harvin warrior and this is my contribution to Ram Mandir.
In unity, we stand strong. Our small contribution adds to the majesty of Ram Mandir. I am a Henry Harvin warrior and this is my small contribution to Ram Mandir.
Jai Shri Ram. Step by step, brick by brick, this is our contribution to the eternal respect of Shri Ram Mandir. We all contributed towards the Ram Mandir, but this is one of the best which I feel should be our tribute to all the Ram Sevaks and everybody who has contributed a lot in this movement to come. We all cherish this for the eternal, and I wish everybody a best of luck and Jai Shri Ram. And I am a Henry Harvin warrior and this is my contribution towards the Ram Mandir. Thank you very much. Jai Shri Ram.
We are Henry Harvin warriors and this is our contribution to Ram Mandir. Jai Shri Ram!